Hi, PG with MarineMax of Houston. I'm here to show you the exciting 2019 345 Conquest by Boston Whaler. This boat is awesome for the family that wants a yacht but they still want a good fishing boat or diving boat, because this boat combines it all and does it all very well. We're powered by triple 350 Mercury Verados. We've got a nice bait tank here in the back, huge fish boxes on each side, port and starboard. Check out this bolster for fishing, but we've also got a really nice lounge chair for when you're just dinner cruising or just cruising around. This chair here actually will flip-flop, so you can be trolling for larger fish still under the shade. And check this out, we've got a nice footrest that drops out. Above it we've got a bait prep area. Actually has a sink and a little area to keep frozen bait. Lots of tackle storage underneath. More storage over here. Little sink area for bait prep. Little sink area for food prep, fresh water. Got fresh water on the back of the boat as well. One of the greatest things about this boat, air conditioned helm. Got air conditioning at the helm and of course down below. So it's a very comfortable boat no matter what kind of weather conditions you're in. You'll see we've got a full glass windshield. It is vented if you do want to let some natural air in. We have removable side curtains to let some air in if you prefer that. Or you can fully enclose it and enjoy the air conditioning, which also doubles as a heater. We've got a really nice ergonomic helm area. If you can look through the windshield, we actually have some additional bow seating for sunning or just hanging out or even using for fishing. And those cushions up there are removable. But here's the great part of the boat. Check out the cabin down below. We've got a split lounger in the front that actually closes and makes a large bed. We've got another sleeper in the back. This boat will actually comfortably sleep 5 people. And then this couch actually will pull out and make a little bit larger sleeping area. Nice TV, nice natural lighting. We've got a nice shade here that can double as a hatch or shade or screen. And the table will drop down to help make it into the bed. Some more storage, got a nice galley. Look how well appointed this countertop is. Check out the nice head compartment. All in air conditioned comfort. This boat is a must-see, so come to MarineMax of Houston and we'll be glad to show it to you.